Hi, I'm Henrik Hanke. I'm working in the sales area at company JENZ, and I'm presenting you today our JEM 561 DL Tiger. We have here a really compact shipping unit in combination with an add-on engine and a longitudinal infeed. Special on this type of machine is here a tracked undercarriage with an all-in-all weight of 18 tons and a transport position of 3.30 meters when the blower is laid down. So also for low loader transport, we are really easy here. And this machine, the concept of this machine is the use of rough terrain and also large timber yards where we can easily drive the machine itself via the remote control. So now we are sitting here at the infeed table of the machine where the wood chip quality is starting. For this purpose, we have here a special mounted robust infeed table. For example, feeding the machine external with an excavator. We have here all in all 3.50 meters of infeed length, 2.50 meters by a conveyor belt, and 1 meter as a foldable hopper. The dimensions of the infeed itself is 1 meter in width and 65 centimeters in height. Now here equipped with an open drum, but of course we can also mount here our well-known D1 drum. The standardized under roller in combination with the upper roller defines the material, so the material is always defined working against the rotor itself. On this machine is also mounted our CAN bus hydraulic system, JENZ Smart Hydraulic, where we can also preset the pressure of the upper roller and have all infeed speeds set it as by themselves. Per hydraulic hand pump, we are able to open the engine cover or open the rotor cover to get a maintenance access to the screen for changing the screen or changing the knives of the rotor itself. After the material is going from the inside through the heart of our machine, the drum, and is processed to chips, we have here one big cross auger where the material is going through the reliable mechanical driven discharge, where the material is getting out of the machine. For leakage material, we have in addition a 5-auger leakage system, which is also letting the material through the cross auger to the discharge. The blower pipe has an all-in-all discharge height of 5 meters and can be turned hydraulically. Now we have seen the material flow via the infeed, the rotor and the discharge, and standing here now under the opened engine cover where the drive unit is mounted. We are using here a Caterpillar engine in combination with a clean fix system for cleaning the cooler and our well-known drive belt for the power belt itself. And we have here 400 liters of fuel for a long day. We are standing here now at the drive unit. Here in the front is a pulley from the engine, the power takeoff, and via the hydraulic belt clutch we are transmitting the power to the pulley of the rotor. On this type of the machine, there's also connected on the pulley of the rotor itself the cross auger and the discharge. Now we have talked about all processes inside the machine during the processing of the material itself. In addition to the heart of the machine, the drum, we are here now on our control unit, our easy to touch. We have here assistance like in the bigger machines, for example the chipper feed assistant for having a constant load of the engine during processing the material. We are able to set all parameters of the machine. For example, the preset of the upper roller, how much is the upper roller pressing the material against to get a defined infeed of the material. And in addition, of course, here really important is our remote control as a tracked version for driving the tracks. So, in summary, JEM 561 DL Tiger, what do we have here? We have a compact and robust machine for work with it. We have an easy flow of the material itself through the machine. We have a high chip quality, are able to mount the D1 drum in combination with our screen technology. As a drive unit, we have a Caterpillar engine and our well-known easy-to-touch control of the machine itself.